Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Things. So this is our new project, Automatic Plant Moisture Monitoring and Controlling System. So let's see the hardware component of the project. So in this project, we are using a 12-volt power supply. So this is a voltage regulatory circuitry. Our main microcontroller board is Arduino Nano. So this is a liquid crystal display. So this is a soil moisture sensor. So this is a soil container. So as you can see here, this is a water container. So this is a water pump. So like this system, our setup is there. So let's see the working of the project. So as you can see here, right now we have the place the soil moisture sensor into the water. So it is indicating as the soil level is a normal. So that's why the water pump is off. So whenever I remove the sensor from the water, automatically in that condition, so as you can see right now I have removed the soil moisture sensor. As you can see here, soil level is low. So that's why water pump is on. So basically it is automatically detecting the moisture level of the soil. Basis on that the motor will be controlling. Okay. So as you can see here, so whenever I inserting the sensor in the water container, so automatically it will be detected the moisture level. Basis on that the motor will be controlled. So like this system, the project working is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for watching the video.